Hey guys, welcome back, and I hope you had a really great Christmas and New Year. Now, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing what I call low content Saturday, meaning we're going to be focusing on Saturdays to do low content creation. So what we're going to be doing today is how to create planners to sell on Amazon KDP. Right, now the first thing we're going to have to do is head on over here. Okay, so we're only really going to be going to one place today, and what I'll do is I'll extend this up over a 3-week period, and I'll make this into a playlist from the very beginning to the very end, right up through to when we actually publish the book on Amazon KDP. So over the next 3 or 4 weeks, I'll create a little bit of this particular video and create this content until we reach the very end. I could do it in one lump sum in one video, but that would make it a very long video. So to avoid having to do that, let's just do a little bit at a time, and this way you can just follow along as we go. Okay, so all right, so the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be customizing the size. So the thing we're going to be doing is we want to make sure it's in inches, and we're going to be making a 6x9 book. So and it's going to be a planner. So we're going to be going 6 inch by 9 inch. Make sure that you put that in inches, not pixels. So if you have a look at this, you've got pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. So make sure it's in inches, and then we can go create design. And in just a moment, it's going to come up with this. Now, another thing we need to do is go over here and say planner, weekly planner. So we're going to be making that a weekly planner, but what I'm actually going to do is hit that. We'll add another page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this page here blank, and we're going to be going here to design, and we can see the various designs we have here. Got this one here. If you like that, that's fine. If you don't, you can go to one of these ones. Oh, I like this one, Carl. I like the fact that it's got these daily times just here. That's awesome. Okay, so I like this, but we are going to need to change it up a bit. Firstly, I'm going to change the color. I'm going to go here, and I might change that to say a blue. So I'm going to grab this, keeping it in the same position, and going across till I see a blue that I like. I think I like that color blue. That'll do me. And I'm going to go here. I'm going to change this font substantially. I'm just going to go here, maybe go down and have a look at the different kinds that are there. I had a look at some earlier. So Lazy Dog, maybe no. Glitter Planner, no. Quicksands, no. I'll go down and have a look and see what else I've got here. Sunborn, yeah, that's good. I like that. Okay, so I'm going to now go grab these ones over here, and I want to make them open sans, and I'll also create open sans for these times as well. So I'll go down here, we'll go open sans for here. There we are. Now it just keeps it consistent that way. Alrighty. Now another thing we're going to need to do is I'm going to stretch this all the way across. Oh, no, I'm going to leave it as is. Sorry. I'll show you what I'm going to do in a second. I'm going to grab all of this. And because, now if you have a look here, this page here, it's literally when you open your book up, it's going to be the first page over here. So this page here is going to be on the right hand side, which means this one here is going to be on the left hand side. When you highlight over the top of it, you can use the arrow key on your keyboard and drag it across to the left. And what that does is it leaves a bit of room here for the spine. Now another thing I might suggest you do is just shrink it down just a tiny bit, so as it gives a bit more room. And I'm going to just bring it a little bit more to the right, so as it doesn't cut across to the bleed. And this way we've got this one here. Now let's duplicate this page. And we've got this one here. Now let's just highlight over the top of all of that again. And now let's move that across to the right. And we'll do that. And this way we have it fairly even. Let's have a quick look. Yes, let's go one more to the left. There we go, that'll do. There we are. Now what we need to do is go over here to see where it says grid view down here in the bottom right hand corner. Click on that. Now what we're going to do is highlight over the top of them. I'm going to click on this one here, and then click on this one here, and then I'm going to go control. Well, what I did was I left clicked on this, held down the control key, and then clicked on that again. Now what I'm going to do is go hit Control D, and what that does is it duplicates those two slides. Now I'm going to keep doing that until I hit approximately 60 different pages. So I want to have about 60 pages in this because there's 52 weeks in a year. So I want to make sure there's more than enough to last a year and a bit. So I'm going to pause the video until I've finished. So as you can see, we now have 60, so 61 because we have one blank page up here. Now this one blank page, we're going to go back over here to get rid of the grid size. Let's take that to the very, very top. And we can say this planner belongs to, or we can even leave it blank. So as you can see, that is now completely changed. Now another thing we need to do is perhaps consider changing the color of the line. So let's go over here. Let's make that black. And it was something I should have done in the earlier part so that I could duplicate it. I'm now going to delete all these other pages and then make it all black so that it's consistent all the way through. Or I can just do this and just highlight the whole lot. I might just do this and go Control A and see what happens. See if I can highlight everything. Control A. No, it only controls A's everything on that page. All right. So all we need to do, I'll just delete everything here and I'll come back after it's been redone. I'll see you when I get back. Okay, I'm back. So I've done the entire thing and everything here is exactly the way I want it. Okay, so this is the first part of what you need to do now. What we need to do here is go over here and we need to make sure that when we download this, that we download this not as an image, but as a printable PDF. So let's hit download and that will give us this option here. It says PNG. Do not click on that. Hit here, PDF print. That's the one we want because that's going to be the highest quality one we can get. And then we can hit download. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on my desktop. And next week, what I'll do is I'll actually create a video where I will show you how to create the cover for this particular one. And then we'll continue on from there and we'll go, in the video after that, we'll look at maybe uploading this onto Amazon KDP. And I'll show you various tools that you can use to be able to find keywords and various other things. And also how to use AI to be able to get the description written up for you. So I'm going to go here, weekly planner. I'm going to keep that on my desktop and we're going to hit save. And that is all there is for this particular part of the video. Next week, we will then create the cover and the week after that, we'll look at maybe uploading it onto Amazon KDP once we have gone onto maybe ChatGPT and grabbed some information. And then after that, we'll upload it onto Amazon and it'll be ready to go. Okay, so that's all there is for this particular video. And I will make sure that I create a course. I'll create this as part of a course so that it's a free course that you can then watch at any time, but that'll be in the near future. So this particular one is the first video of the little course we're going to be creating. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and bye for now. Hey guys, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of how to do this and how you actually created your own book to be able to publish on Amazon KDP. Also to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, well, that's an image of my head, and if you click on that, you will be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.